Japanese PC maker Vaio has launched the latest SX12 notebook in Japan. The new Vaio SX12 is a 12.5-inch thin notebook with a weight of less than 1 kilogram. It supports up to an Intel Core i7-1260P processor, and has a slew of ports. The latest SX12 also comes in a special all-black edition, with a Core i7-1280P processor, and optional support for 5G. The new Vaio SX12 is a 12.5-inch compact notebook that can easily be carried around. It is ideal for people who prefer to have a laptop with them all the time. However, don't confuse its small size with weak performance. The new Vaio SX12 has 1.5 times the CPU performance of previous models, thanks to an upgrade to the 12th generation Intel Core processor. The new Vaio SX12 is a 12.5-inch thin and light notebook, with a starting weight of less than 2 pounds. Further, it comes with a 1920 by 1080 pixel display. The laptop incorporates original Vaio True Performance tuning, which optimizes power supply and heat dissipation capacity, resulting in prolonged peak performance. It boasts a Full HD wide liquid crystal display, as well as a Core i7-1260P CPU, with 12 cores and 16 threads, memory LPDDR4X 16 gigs, 512 gigs, PCIe SSD storage, and many other features. The laptop will run Windows 11 OS out of the box. The Vaio SX12 is small, but its keyboard key placement is quite normal, and matches the universal standards, so you won't really face difficulty in typing. The ports on this one are near perfect. It has two Thunderbolt 4, two USB 3.0 Gigabit Ethernet ports, HDMI, and a sweet 3.5mm headphone jack. It has a 2.07 megapixel camera and supports face recognition. In addition, the laptop comes with Wi-Fi 6E compatibility. The new Vaio SX12 features the lightest configuration that meets the MIL STD 810H quality standard, with a body weight of around 899 grams, and a battery life of up to approximately 26 hours. It is available in 5 color options: Urban Bronze, Fine White, Fine Black, Bright Silver, and Rose Gold. Vaio has also launched a Vaio SX12 all-black edition with a 14-core and 20-thread Core i7-1280P processor, and an optional 5G modem. What do you think of the new compact laptop from Vaio? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you soon.